take you up there, but you're going to have to come down. Come here. Come here, Sam. Come here, baby. Come here. Sam, come here. Come here, baby.
He ain't even had him an hour and he's already trying to run away from home.
He's in your room now.
Well, be easier to catch, won't he?
Yeah, and shut the door.
Oh no, I gotta get this.
Come here, Sam.
You better shut that closet door, he'll be in there.
Now, Sam, you're going to get, look at her, you got your heart racing. Come here, baby. Oh, quit being jumpy. It's okay, baby. Wow!
Here,
He's gonna.
hold that.
You're gonna hurt yourself. Come here, baby. Here, wait a minute.
I had him in the hat.
Well, get him. Here's this rag.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Get up here. Come on up here. Come on. Come on. I'm up here. Come up here. Come on. Get up here. Come on. There you go. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come
He's
on.
done wore his little heart out.
Wait.
You almost had him when you get him. Sam, get down here.
Throw the rag up there.
Yeah. Come here, Sam.
Put the hat on.
Don't hurt him.
I ain't hurting him. You want to catch him?
Here,
or not?
get this rag on the other end.
Come here. Come here. Come on, boy. Hey, bye-bye. Crap, I had him.
He got out the back of your head.
Sawed off a little scroll. It's a lot closer than you've gotten.
Well, I know it.
Come here. You're gonna make me mad. Where'd he go?
Right here.
You're gonna get tired, you know that, don't you? That stupid hand. I told you.
I told you to get him out of the box yourself.
No, you did not.
I did. I set him over and you said, he ain't my bird.
He ain't my bird.
Well, I could have got him, you could have got him out and we wouldn't have had this issue. He's underneath the table. Take this rag where you can.
Stupid net out there in the garage would do the same
You
thing.
don't want to hurt him.
I ain't gonna hurt him.
Come here, Sam.
Come here, buddy. Shut up. It's your bird. Where's this?
He's up there. There's Sam. Oh, look at him. Look at his little mouth. Come here, baby.
You're gonna make me mad.
Don't squeeze him. Tim caught him. Yay!
Rebel flag. Take that, South Carolina.
Go on.
Turn it off.
I don't know how.
You got the same recorder and you
Just
don't
shut
know
it.
how.
Oh, no, over here.